Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again here with Mercy. In case you're new here, welcome a lot and kindly don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for stopping by. Thank you for coming back, as in I don't take that for granted. May you be blessed. And tell a friend to tell a friend, share a friend to show a friend. Otherwise guys, here I am. This is my outfit of the day. I'm putting on an official top together with a palazzo. The palazzo has this bling bling thing, the chain, and with these sandals here. That's cut 360. Otherwise guys, today I am here with another video whereby I'm gonna show you how I prepare uji. Uji is a mixture of flour and water. Specifically, you can either use corn flour with millet, sorghum, cassava mixed together. Then you put it on the heat until it becomes uji. So, in case you don't know what uji is, you're gonna see it in the video, so stay tuned up to the end. And if you like this video at the end, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe if you've not. Otherwise guys, why don't we go cook the uji? So let's go. So guys, this is the flour I'm gonna use. It's called Famila Nature's Food Baby Porridge. So that's the content, and as I said earlier, it's my first time using it, and I'll come back with a review. So you see, there's corn, there's wheat, and that's my water boiling from the small gas. Yeah. As the water boils, I've put some cold water in the cup, and I'm adding some flour, probably 2 spoons. Then mix it well with the cooking stick. That's my cooking stick there. So because I was using one hand, I had to be careful for the cup not to fall from that thing that was on top of So you just mix until it becomes uniform. I'm next to the road, that's why the place is so noisy. So that's how I do it. After I've ensured that it's mixed uniformly, I add it to the water that was boiling on top of the gas. When there is those clumps, you try to break them. Yeah, I think it's now perfect. So we're gonna add it to that water. Let's add it. Yeah, you see the water has already started boiling. So that's how you do it. You just stir until you feel that it has become thick. It has thickened is when you leave it to boil by itself. But if you leave it at this point, it will have some clumps, So you make sure you stir it. Stir and stir and stir. Here you don't get tired. You must have that energy to stir. You see it has started changing. from less viscosity to high viscosity. And at some point I got tired, but I can't risk, so I just have to stir and stir and stir until it becomes okay, is when I can have a rest. But for now, I roll with it. Yeah, you see it has turned. Now it has become very thick that it's almost becoming uji, so I must add some water so that it becomes thick but not thick, and also thin but not thin, very thin. I mean, it should be in the middle, between thick and thin, that way in the middle. I hope you understand. Yeah, that viscosity is okay. I'm using the same cup that I used to mix the water. That's why you can see the water is whitish in color, but it's just water put in a cup that there was flour inside. Now at this point, I'm gonna leave it to boil on its own so that it gets ready. So now I can have a rest. So this is what we call uji, porridge in English, uji in Kiswahili, and our local language we call it nyoka. That's Luo. So hope you've learned something, guys. If you do so, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share. In case you have any comments, you can put it down in the comment section. Yeah, it's boiling, just like that. And I'm gonna put some margarine to bring the taste. So this porridge here will be consumed without sugar, because it's for a baby. It's not advisable to give babies sugar, or if you can, you just put a little, but for me, I'll use glucose instead. So that's why I only placed blue band or margarine, depends with your teacher. So that's it, guys. See you again in the next one. Bye. Yes.